This creamy cauliflower paneer rice bowl is pure comfort. Rich, smooth gravy served with spinach rice, light yet absolutely delicious. I will show you step by step how to make this delicious bowl. Namaste, I am Manjula. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I will make creamy cauliflower paneer with spinach rice. This recipe will serve 4. So let's get started. First I will make spinach rice. Heat is on low medium. So first I am going to put 2 tablespoons of oil. Oil should be moderately hot before I put the cumin seed. So let the cumin seed sizzle. 1/4 teaspoon of asafetida, hing, and 2 whole red chilies. Stir. Add 1 cup of chopped spinach. Just stir. Then I am using 1 cup of basmati rice, which I have already washed and soaked for about 15 minutes and drained it. So let's add that. And 2 cups of water. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir it. Bring it to boil. Then I will make the heat low and cook for 15 minutes. So rice has come to boil, so I will lower the heat to low medium and cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes. I will transfer the rice on the different stove. While it is cooking, we will prepare the cauliflower. While rice is getting ready, I will make the creamy cauliflower. So heat is on low medium. So first I will add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 cup of paneer, which I have cut them in small pieces, a small cube. Just stir fry them just for a minute. If you over fry them, then they become chewy. So paneer is ready, so let's take them out. I will use the same pan. Oil is ready. So first I am going to use the half a teaspoon of cumin seed. Stir. Add 1/8 teaspoon of asafetida and 1 teaspoon of finely grated ginger. I have here 1 green chili, which I have split lengthwise in 4 pieces. I have 2 cups of cauliflower, which I have cut them in small pieces. Half a cup of green peas. Half a cup of carrots. I have cut them in rounds. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir them for about 2 minutes. I am using 3.5 cups of milk. So let's put slowly, and I will save about 1/4 cup of milk. Mix it and let it cook for about 10 minutes. I have saved some milk and I am using 1 tablespoon of corn starch. So I am just going to add the milk in this. Mix it well so there shouldn't be any lumps. But I am going to add this in about 10 minutes. It has been about 10 minutes. So now I will add the corn starch. This will thicken the recipe. And I am adding the paneer. We have already fried a little bit earlier. Cook this until cauliflower is tender, not mushy. So this should take another 5 to 6 minutes. So cauliflower is ready. As I said, it shouldn't be mushy. It should be just tender. And this gravy will thicken as it will sit. So this is just a right consistency of gravy. Pourable, because this is going to be served with rice. Turn off the heat. Going to put about 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. Gives a nice color and smell. Half a teaspoon of garam masala. The creamy cauliflower is ready. So now let's check out the rice. So rice is ready. As you see, they are very fluffy. And I am ready to serve it. I hope you enjoy this creamy cauliflower paneer spinach rice bowl. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe. I would love to read your comments. Stay healthy, stay safe and see you next time. Thank you, Manjula.